Hi guys, GoFries here, and I am at PCU's PC building workshop, which is happening right behind me. So in this session, I'm going to go through the build process as one of the participants, so you get to know what they go through, and hopefully when, say, in the future when PCU has this kind of event going on, you know whether you want to join or not. So let's go.
It's actually from S-Rock lah.
S-Rock, yes.
S-Rock. And then today one of the S-Rock VIP actually attend lah. He's trying to hide, he's trying to film us quietly from the shadow there.
This guy is being another role today.
So, someone from S-Rock, which is the country salesman here today, Mr. Brian.
Right, let's give a good bow.
Give you a clap.
Right.
Hey, he sponsored you guys motherboard.
So, slide 45 degrees.
Kena nak bagi sangkut saja. Oh, di sini terbalik.
Boleh tak? Tekan je all the way.
Go everyone.
Let's go.
Side also. Wee. Alright. So now I'm seated as one of the participants here. You may hear noises around because we're all doing things. They've already reached the point where they're assembling the case. So I'm just going to show you typically what we do here. This is a motherboard, and what they're needed to do is just to install the CPU over here, and then have the cooler installed, which they will clip on. So it's a very simple cooler. This is a basic class to show you how things can be installed. So I'm doing it very fast right now. And let's see. Go with the CPU fan. Right.
Anyone have an extra I/O shield?
So this is pretty much done for the CPU part.
Anyone has extra I/O shield or group leaders?
M.2 drive,
Group leaders,
which you will connect. Right. As people who are not familiar with these things, the process will take quite a while. So as you can see, I'm not even doing a race yet, and it's done. Alright. So this is where you get the motherboard done. The case already has the I/O panel installed. So after that, the rest of the process is the matter of having the motherboard installed into the case right here, and after that they will connect the power cables and power it up, and the class is done. So the class is without installing graphics card, because graphics card adds another step to the process. Now with this covered, let's have a look at what they are doing right now. So as you can see, the participants are installing the motherboard into the system, and over here is what I've done, already powered on. So this is the expected result from whatever they are doing right now. And when the participants get all their things done, the system will look like this. No graphics card, but this is what it's expected, and they will the people here at PCU will also guide them on how to do cable management. With that done, I hope you guys enjoyed the coverage of this event that's run by PCU, held in MyTown Shopping Center, sponsored by S-Rock, which is my brand, and then there's a distributor, Suncycle Malaysia, and also the partner educational institution, UCSI. So basically, today is the last day, final day. So yesterday was the second last, so we have it over 3 weekends, and every weekend there's 2 days, and each day has 2 sessions, and each session has 20 participants. So many people have gone through this activity, and they enjoy it, and best of all, it's free. That's it for this one. My coverage on GoFries for this PC build workshop organized by PCU, held in MyTown Shopping Center. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. If you cannot see this thing, your face is not inside. Ready? 1, 2, go!